morning everyone. So myself Jeevitha and Jay. So now we are here to represent the role play of OSI model. So anyone know what is OSI model? So there are majorly we are using a OSI and TCP/IP model. So in companies we are using like TCP/IP model itself. OSI model, how it actually impacts we are representing. So as we know, OSI model has a majorly 7 layers. Why actually this OSI model use means? So for example, if you want to send any data or a message from one device to the other device, how it actually send the data without any interruptions. So by using these models, we can send the data without any interruptions. So from source to destination, how the data has been transferred. So this is all about the models. So what do you mean by OSI model? OSI model is a conceptual model from computer system for development. As we know, for the development purpose, we are using this OSI model. So this is developed by ISO. As we know, ISO means International Organized for Standardization. So this ISO has been developed this OSI model. So how actually the data has been sent from one device to the other device. So we will see by our role play. So these are my teammates. So first source.
I'm Jana. I'm playing the role of source. Myself Chaitra. Here I am the data.
Myself Amsa. Here I am the physical layer. Myself Jeevitha. I am the data link layer.
Myself Sana. I'm playing the role of network layer.
Myself Chitra. I am playing the role of transport layer.
I am Kavya Hendler and I will be playing session layer.
I am Padmashri. I will be playing the role of presentation layer.
I am Shreya. I am playing application layer.
I am Ananya. My role is destination. So these are the 7 major layers, and this is the source and destination. How the data has been transmitted from the source to destination by using this OSI model. So I need some data.
Hey data, reach destination.
Okay source, I will reach the destination.
Yes, this is what happens from the source to destination. There may be an interruption or we can't send the data from source to destination. So we are using 7 major layers in this OSI model. By using these layers, we can send the data easily without any interruption. So the first layer will be physical layer.
Now I am in the physical layer. Hello physical layer.
Hello data. I'm responsible for the transmission of data into bits. I'm also responsible for the transmission of digital signals. Now I'm moving to my neighboring layer, data link layer.
In physical layer, I am converted into bits. Now I am in data link layer. Hello data link layer.
Hi bits. So I am here to convert these bits into the frames. So my duty is to transfer the data from one node to other node. My other duties are I am controlling the error control. That means whatever the errors in the bits, so I am controlling those errors, and access control, as well as I am giving the physical address for this data for further transformation, and also I am giving the flow control. For the flow control is nothing but what is the path I must have to give to the data. So these are my responsibilities. So now these bits has been converted into the frames.
In data link layer, I am converted into frames.
Hey frame, move on to the neighboring layer, that is network layer.
Okay data link layer. Now I am in network layer. Hello network layer.
Hi friends, welcome to the network layer. Here frames are converted into the packets. Packets are used for logical addressing and routing. Logical addressing is used for finding the destination path, and routing is used to find a best among all the paths. Now the packets are moved to the next layer.
In network layer, I am converted into packets. Now I am in session layer. Hi session layer.
Hi packets, welcome to layer transport. In transport layer, packets are converted into layer segments and I am responsible for the entire delivery of the data and I provide acknowledgement if a data sends correctly and retransmissions of the data if an error occurs.
In transport layer, I am converted into segments.
Hi segments, you can move to a session layer.
Now I am in session layer. Hi session layer.
Hi segment. Now I am welcome to session layer. Now I am going to convert you into synchronized segments. I am session layer. My duty is to convert the segments into synchronized segments for the better transmission.
In session layer, I am converted into synchronized segments.
Now you can move on to the next presentation layer.
Now I am in presentation layer. Hi presentation layer.
Hello synchronized segments, welcome to the presentation layer. Here, synchronized segments, my duty is to check whether all the syntax and the semantics are proper between the data transmission and are free from error control. Now you can move on to the application layer.
Now I am in application layer. Hello application layer.
Hi synchronized layer. I am the topmost layer of the model. I am going to change you into message. I even provide service to my users.
Hooray! I am converted into message. Now I can reach the destination.
Hey, I got the message.